Pansamantalang inalis sa kanilang pwesto sina National Capital Region Police Office Chief Major General Sidney Hernia at Anti-Cybercrime Group Director Major General Ronnie Francis Cariaga. Ayon sa PNP, administratively relieved ang dalawa sa loob ng 10 araw. Ito'y para bigyang linaw ang ilang issue sa nangyaring police operation sa loob ng Century Peak Tower sa Maynila noong October 29.
Pursuant po sa orders na nilabas po ng National Headquarters ay administratively relieved from their current position po si Major General Sidney Hernia as the RD and CRPO at si Major General Ronnie Cariaga, yung director po ng ACG. They were administratively relieved for 10 days to give way sa investigation na gagawin po ng isang committee created for this purpose. October 29 ay nagkaroon po ng police operation, joint operation ang ACG at NCRPO with respect po doon sa cyber warrant implemented, particularly dyan po sa Century Peak Tower.
Isa kasi sa isyong lumutang at kinuwestiyon ng subject ng cyber warrant ay ang umunay tampering ng CCTV sa establishmento. Kaya minarapat ng PNP leadership na i-relieve administratively ang dalawang opisyal para sa gagawing investigasyon. Nauna nang inalis sa pwesto ang 3 tauhan ng ACG na umunay sangkot sa paggalaw sa CCTV.
During the implementation po ng cyber warrant, there were again operational related issues that were raised by the subject of the police operation, particularly the alleged tampering of the CCTV camera by PNP personnel that led to the immediate relief po nung team leader na kasama po during the operation, particularly those PNP personnel that were shown doon po sa CCTV na binaling po yung focus po ng CCTV.
Pinanindigan din ng PNP na walang mali at legitimate operation ang pagsalakay sa scam hub. Isinagawa ito sa bisa ng cyber search warrant na inisyu ng Manila Regional Trial Court. Nilinaw din ni Fajardo na hindi form of punishment ang ipinataw na administratively relief sa dalawang senior officers ng pambansang pulisya.
Pinaninindigan po ng PNP na wala pong mali doon sa naging police operation. The police operation was conducted under the premise of an implementation of a cyber warrant duly issued by RTC Manila. Ito pong administrative relief ng dalawang senior officer, it's not a form of punishment at malinaw po yan sa mga existing policy po ng PNP.
In the heart of changing lives, ito si Brigada Kath Austria ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, The Music and News Authority.